Hello all. Today, one of the most important topic on the data presentation, which is going to represent a major part in the scientific writing, is going to be discussed. The data presentation is a very effective tool for communicating own results with the readers, and it is often been misused. The data presentation can be in the form of either text forms or graphical forms or tabular forms. So depending on the volume of the data, the aim to represent your findings or the results and the type of the data is been considered in order to choose the appropriate form of data presentation. Here today, the focus is to select an appropriate graphical presentation. Depending on the type of the data, as we know, there are two types of the data, quantitative or qualitative. So, depending on the quantitative data, the graphs like histograph, line graph, polygon graphs, scatter plot graph can be selected for the appropriate graphical presentation. Whereas, for the qualitative data, the pie graph, bar graph or area graph can be selected. Always remember to use 2D graph for the better data visualization and to avoid ambiguity in data presentation. The legends, the titles should be very clearly given with a self-explanatory so that reader can easily understand the findings. The commonest error in presenting data is the single graph is been bombarded with lots of information, which can be avoided by using appropriate text forms or table forms or a selection of the graphs. For further clarity in this topic, an article which has been published in JISH can be referred. The link has been shared with you. Thank you.